I think this is a very serious moment, I would say almost in our nation's history, at each point when we talk about the serious efforts that have been going on over the last 8 months, that we've been fighting this battle of an unseen foe, a killer that kills at will, and we sometimes don't even know who it will strike. And having said this, I would like to tell you that Apollo Hospitals, the nation's largest integrated healthcare player, has been there with you. From the beginning, we were there during the lockdown providing medicines. We went online, created an Omni network to be able to do this even at your house to reduce the inconvenience, but recognizing the importance of having medicines on time. We started testing, among the first people to be recognized and tested for testing for COVID, including doing it at home. We've done over 250,000 tests till date. We've actually treated more than 400,000 people in our, we have 3,000 beds. Apart from that, we've created another 3,000, the capability to do 3,000 hotel rooms for people to be able to quarantine. Having said that, we started digitally, opened up teleconsults, and with this network, we're trying to serve you all better and better every day. Believe me, it's a hard battle. But today, as we enter the final frontier, a new battlefield in the fight against COVID-19, with the possibility of a safe vaccine or vaccines being launched in the next 60 to 100 days, the focus now shifts from development and manufacture to distribution and administration. While we await the government's policy on who will be eligible for the vaccine in the early days, which vaccine and when it will actually come, what we do know is that the government is really ramping up in its efforts to be able to create a digital network, to be able to use the Aadhaar infrastructure, to be able to find a way that 1.3 million Indians, 1.3 billion Indians will get access to a safe vaccine in the shortest time possible. Having said this, with great humility, we would like to announce our service to the nation, the capability. Apollo Hospitals has the capability today to deliver 1 million vaccines. We will give vaccines to 1 million people per day, every day, for as long as it takes for our country to be vaccinated when the vaccine arrives. For that, over the last 3 months, we have been training over 10,000 professionals, including a capability that we can put a professional, and there will be a professional even in our pharmacies, which are 4,000 pharmacies across the country, 71 hospitals, 500 corporate health clinics, another 400 clinics, all distributed across the country. In fact, we've done a study that 30% of India's population is about 30 minutes away from an Apollo facility. So this is our national duty, to be able to ramp up, to give you all the capability that this country deserves, that we can administer 1 million vaccines per day, every day. And we have 10,000 professionals. Behind this, we've actually planned our entire cold chain distribution to be able to do 300 million vaccines per year. This is an awesome capability, and what we've again seen is that our supply chain, that our network partners will be able to deliver a safe vaccine a vaccine under safe conditions cold chain conditions that is required within 30 minutes to 48 hours anywhere in the country, including the Northeast, and from each part of our country, we can cover this. And I think this is something that we would like to offer to the country. And going forward, as the nation's most integrated healthcare provider, it'll be our duty and our privilege to work with all governments, government agencies, and healthcare networks to ensure that the largest number of people get this vaccine safe and fast. And this is our promise to the country, and to help the government's effort. We appreciate everything that the government is doing, and I think this is a nation's responsibility. This is a healthcare provider's responsibility. Thank you.